surprises. Nyan Redol no. When you are not still, only a surprise number 1. Sister, you do surprise number 2. Susan, what's the surprise number 2?
Surprise number 2, no. Yeah, intense. Omodoso. But bakofena etime wedding left hand side has say. Yeah, then no baba chuchun komo. Leading the brides. It was our bright. The bright
table you do,
bright in the
putting him on the spot. You're petty for the mark when they do. Nay, he intensely share. One hour share him. They Costa your intense. I will fee Cape Coast Technical University. Waba. They want to grow on experience. Another the way shown or classroom. They want to add to it hands-on experience. So we share ejuma ye and we had no one so we share be was our come away you. And see 1 year from one intense into our half for one internship. Let's them our fever work already. The pay table no who are bright. They didn't know that we are going to surprise them this way. See your fault more upright and the years in common. You was in common. Only young cotton and the pay in the in common. May not upon so. Well, shall name you will say the next time say if we will come and name the man you're bright. It's bright. You are welcome.
Thank you.
I become Fantana, I become off.
Oh.
You have a choice, you know? Want to give you a choice.
Oh, baby, maybe the Fanta for the gentleman car, Fanta no true with that.
Charlie, oh, Fanta so for you. Fanta for more of Fanta true. Why can't I get a Fanta for the gentleman? No, if you can't put there.
Maybe I know it's a craddy.
I know it's a craddy. Sure. Okay, it's Cape Coast Technical University student, addition student.
So far, me 3rd year and it's been good. Especially I'm a field in graphics and multimedia. Yeah.
Okay, so no for more.
Often chill. And never first.
You know, what not make on most of warming up. No, warm up is I warm up into warm Brussels.
Okay. So far, me 3rd year or Cape Coast Technical University and it's been good. It's been good. We have good and quality lectures, and I think that I'll recommend CCT to everybody who wants to do his or practical courses. CCT or best lectures for practical and other technical courses. So I recommend to everyone.
The PAE UCC students visiting common as well. No what standard of living or one as easy. CCT is reassured onto them.
Standard of living.
The cost of living, let me put it this way. Cost of living.
Okay. CCT, I don't think the
is about to be ye. That will the way for free. Even though it's done for free. Even put it to bed, or the what do students for free. And
to me, be freedom.
But I win never free.
Sometimes every I know people don't choose, but to me every day to me be freedom. You have to buy. Be so alternate and also. That's also the source of living. Also, no other channel on a number. So, and to me, be their freedom. But, and to compare to uses. Many more could uses was about. I think the young one okay. Yeah.
Into a student population or a bear?
Student population. As to compare to UCC, the UCC or Dawson Pass and CCT. As for now, Montum.
Okay. Over to you, Lola. My passport now.
Right. Maybe, sir, before so about Coastal TV, now what's Yanka?
Yeah, Matt, or since childhood.
Yeah. Again, I wouldn't hear for.
Yes, so no. That time when I digital no shut down here, we Benjamin TV now. So. Cape Coast, more Cape Hadia, so Cape Coast Hadia, a TV station, I shot then. it should be Coastal TV. Coastal TV and then yes. And I can't remember then one guy who I one or a pain and no age more Coastal TV. So Makade has all motivating and I know yes you pay a bit TV there that man because one time you should TV you should Coastal and you know I know some you got adverts yourself and then you know and I remember then I imagine obey who wahadi every day or TV so yes you able to me yeah but TV to Coastal from childhood. Yeah.
Okay. The internship only a bit now for about 2 months.
Yeah.
And then I was expected to Coastal TV. Maybe some they also sold or they broke Coastal TV.
Oh, expectations in there. As my brain here can expectations in there are plenty.
Okay.
Yeah. It be honest with me.
That's on the spot,
no one ransom it now. Then the Meribano, then I didn't expect the Maba live bar. Yeah, want to Mankadem way. My expectation in the Maba Media House and everything concerning media, I'm coming to like have my hands on, and so expectations in the be yeah.
From to Nimpo there when we are there show. Over to for and come say that now buy na that's not selfie. So okay. Mommy Miss how also what should Coastal TV expect from you?
Anything that you want to expect.
Anything.
Yeah.
21 I'm going to buy me fufu. Is that okay?
No.
You said anything.
I said anything now. Only co-host here.
And intentional of the host.
I say anything.
Okay, anything concerning the media, multimedia, like you can put me on the spot, but financial aspect, let put it.
Hey, financial aspect there.
Oh no.
For lunch. So I will see that one experience as a better lunch.
Is it anything they say anything?
You said anything. This one was a weapon check.
Anything concerning this media house?
Yes, it concerns me. The Coastal.
But Susan Roots here, so it's about Coastal. It's a media house.
By you, the financial aspect. Let us leave.
I think you know financial power, Charlie. But you are doing well.
No,
you put on the spot, man.
Yeah.
But I had a
Oh, but it's all good.
It's good, you see.
Yeah.
So now, how do you feel? I warm up. It's good for you, man. You were fun. You're baptized.
Yeah. And I think with time,
baptism.
With time, like we'll do better.
Better. But in the people, I ask them. You can. It's that's a day. You do to spot no da near for one hour, but they Ochina lunch or you're pending. Or what happened? Or every year or every day when Susan or enjoying they make quick channel was the Charlie. This is can't get see bright. We're bright and we're bright and
okay.
Or that happened. It was after we see that's bright for you. The next time you see him and Otina Punihu and now dinner baby na on your cousin. Now cousin or your intern or Coastal TV, them the area. I mean, baby, if you walk a door, more Coastal TV, intervacada, you know, but you want actually. I'm a baby who be a name damper. What can you walk which may be knowing him busy man. So, bright on this note, we want to say a car to Coastal TV. It was a Yakajam Katriaba, another surprise.
I'll be working all the summer, getting my bread up and shit. Moving from place to place, from plane to plane, spreading my word out and shit. I'll be doing this for a while, searching a better place for my life. Cause where I'm from, no resting. All we had was nothing. Say it was zero and blessings. But I had blood in my eyes, fire on my head. Survival plans pull my head. I was getting tired, but you make me wanna trap again. And she said, if you see the lights, remember your time was with you. When you were lost a lonely lover, don't forget about me so soon. If you see the light, remember that I was with you. When you were lost a lonely lover, don't forget about me so soon. Asoiko, 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 Asoiko.
Yeah, and so it goes. See, this life is an lonely road. Every day hustle for the dough. I'm on the road. Put my body, mind, and my soul. That's why me, I head to the door. Cause man, I've been walking. Nobody can stop me. See many people talk, many people do, many people yeah, many people try, but I keep walking. Nothing will disturb me. Mark by me, oh. And I will never rest till I see my mama smiling. VVS diamonds dancing, oh. We up forevermore.
Asoiko, 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 Asoiko.
Njamboto wonimo na mama o nimse afebem da mim na o Yakopon fe Samuel say Samuel wo he we Sunday school mo try and I wanted to sing that because Samuel's name. Samuel ma Yakopon fe na o ila ni fi na Samuel akawa
yeah,
someone that was from the year was CCTU. That's what we have or your intern. Someone but music. What's your hobby, cry?
my hobby.
Yeah,
I like running.
running.
Yeah.
Hey, a running man.
But right now I have stuff, so.
Oh, no, run away one day. Tell you, we no order and how are you know?
My hair.
Susan,
Hey, I
You
have
want to grow to the new one.
one, Baba, so.
A baba.
Yeah, personal one that will be doing my hair for me.
Hey, wow, today a fashion power, fashionable.
Nah.
It's somewhere in the pay. We just want to find out from you. I work Costa TV as an intern. In Minutwa.
No, mother.
In Minutwa.
No.
But in myself.
Nah. But I can lip sync someone's
Okay, into Tony.
music.
Sing.
I don't really know the song.
Anything. And when do you have what happened?
My favorite song.
Yes.
Oh, I have plenty favorite songs.
Sing one.
No more.
Just one.
Hey, it's like, I don't know, it's like you're asking me right now.
Oh, you know. It's like you know how to sport.
It's always actually.
Oh, we has. It's a rather has to effect to first line.
Hey.
The song we just
Ghanaian song, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
To Nigeria, but to whichever one ever to.
I'll go with gospel.
Oh, gospel, you have a badge, yeah, child.
But I don't know, I can't sing it.
Yes, it's a one line in part.
just give us that one.
You were from freestyle.
Some to so sane so senewa ko koto jenu na share in Bible. Yemfe to yemfe jaina in Bible to me. Adina.
Charlie, name no. Oh, yeah, one of my favorite.
Na Yesu beko amawo
efrise okuyi eyawuko
na munye.
Charlie, you made my day.
Really?
You are wonderful. So, Charlie, Yes, a welcome. We are in our phone there. We have Samuel in our midst.
Oh, thank you,
madam. Susan already went at lunch. It's a once.
Samuel, what should Coastal TV expect from you? Should I also expect lunch and something else?
I don't know really, but
Okay.
expecting is like surprising someone with something, but I don't know whether to expect me to do something better for you people.
Che, your expectation are high. Make sure what classroom is.
Let me even ask you, what actually brought you to Coastal TV and not take you somewhere else? But you decided you chose Coastal TV. Why?
Yeah, I wanted to learn certain things from the photographics and the graphic designers. That's why I'm here.
That's why you're here. Okay, so what did you bring on board that we can add up?
Thank you. Usanda Hammer, no contribution, no chop. You bring what you have on board and then
the time we came to level 100,
Okay.
we were not having laptops then things, so we were not being able
someone
to.
kasa.
We were not having laptops and tools for graphics and this thing, so we were finding it difficult to do some of the practicals.
Okay.
So I wanted to have it here.
Which level are you now?
Level 300.
Oh, so by now you should have a laptop, or?
I have a laptop now.
Okay. So it means you learned something before you came here.
Yeah.
That's what I want to know.
Something small, but not enough for me.
Okay, what can you do?
I can design small.
Flyers?
Yeah.
Birthday flyers?
Yes.
Okay, what else?
That's
Can
the
you design the
basis.
t-shirts?
That's the basis for me now.
Okay. So you're expecting our graphic designers to help you learn more. Are you going to pay us?
Yeah. I'm not sure I can pay you guys. I'm not sure.
And actually, you don't have to pay anybody anything. Okay?
Thank you.
You feel that it's a privilege, it's an opportunity. Yes, so is a show kind of and see you are so much welcome to Coastal TV.
Thank you, madam.
It was for I feel we said no birthday and I didn't see one hour was 1 hour then. We are going to celebrate and that's how we're going to round up our day. And see, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. What one was
birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Someone in mobile is in bed in that.
No.
Oh, you're going for Kunizin. You're now about to come on. It was me there, a master control for Bobo happy birthday, and you name and papa. That's how we are rounding up our day. And simple chop one more eye. No one was one would watch a Coastal TV one day, Yancy, and you all after ball. Just celebrate on their birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
And see, on that note, from me and Afiba to you, we also want to say thank you to our technical crew, our interns, no abaka, Ben and AJ, one hour how what boy handle, your programming, say a woofy, let's say a reshe, let's say, or your the wire crabasha, or yaman a fibam kution, battalion behind the scenes, or one way me free, may I did them to me, yes, I bro, the man soon and Hina for your loyalty, that was say. Mom, you make a choice there. Between no in you. Yami had much na ye another beautiful day. and you busy share. Afiba, what do you have to say to round up your menu?
Yes, Auntie Gipsy. So meda yeti for us yashofo. In fact, say ye betna ha ne kasa bebre no moment ya kasa gun from but esan say muguso a hwe Coastal TV ntina da bia so yesori anopa ye nkranhye say ba betna ha na ye ne mu edi enkomo. Kan na hu say maka say 24-hour economy na ye run wo fia say. Nti say enya ba ne say unhu Auntie Gipsy ana unhu manim ana samwa na obi anim kra na Coastal TV da so ha ye adwuma ye wo programs ahodo so ya hyehye aye de bre ye tiefo bomodian say oni ye betena bomodian say uni we fidie no emfri ha say se ne be ya onkohwe hwe anope
Onyi nden yesi owo echina
nyame
aduma ye be hia Thank you.
Ananti